My name is Alexander Grabovetskiy and I'm a wood carver. And today I'm gonna talk about one of my favorite tools. I do have multiple tools that I love, but one of them is gonna be the tool I use pretty much every day, okay? And the tool I'm talking about, that would be a gouge, wood carving gouge, of course, and it's not a chisel, okay? It's a gouge. Number 7, which is a smile of a tool or sweep of the tool, and that would be 14 millimeters, about half an inch, little bigger than half an inch. So that is my favorite tool. Okay, different manufacturers, they do the same tool, but I really like what I use. Okay, I'll give you an example. Those two guys made by Swiss-made file, those ones. This one is my own, okay? But look at the size of it, okay? So that is a full size, the normal way. This one is much bigger. And I like that particular tool because it fits in your hand and it's so balanced, okay? So balanced. You can just work with that. It just fits really nicely in your hand. And why is the 714 is a really good tool? First of all, see, because it's a long, I can fit the whole hand pretty much on my blade. And with this tool, I can do a lots of stuff. Let me just show you a quick demonstration of grapes. I can do 99.9% of my carving by using that tool. See how quickly I can establish the outline of the grapes. It's such a beautiful tool. You can use it upside down, or you can use it the normal way, which I'm gonna demonstrate in a couple seconds. And the normal way, let me get to my previous cut. And here you go, it's just the one tool. And like I said, you can get a bunch of grapes done. You can do pretty much anything. It looks a little rough because I didn't take time. It took me about a minute to carve that, but you can see the idea. So that tool is really usable tool, okay? But again, it's only one of my favorite ones. I've got multiple favorite tools. But number 714, really doesn't matter what brand you're gonna buy, but it just gives you the right profile for a variety of work, or designs, I should say. All right, thank you for watching Tool Tuesday. And my name is Alexander Grabovetskiy, and I am right now teaching in Marc Adams School of Woodworking. And I welcome you to take my class. I am teaching actually wood carving, really complex actually. We're working on a really complex stuff this time. It's gonna be Green Gibbons style. We just started pretty much a couple days ago, but if you look at the screen, so you'll see exactly what we're working on. So that is going to be right there. Okay, thank you very much. Oh, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.